Now I'm ready to start sharpening the side or the wings. And I'm going to hold the tool the same way. My right hand is on the bottom. My left hand is creating a channel. And for this, I need a nice comfortable position. Don't be too stiff in the knees. And I'm going to swing my right hand and pull the tool handle to the right. And I'm going to slowly turn the tool and walk it right up the wheel. And because I'm standing on this side, I can see that's where I've been grinding. Now I'm going to do the other side. And the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come back to the center and blend it all in, walking right up the wheel.